Hi guys, and welcome to our YouTube channel One to Step, where today I'm here with another new video to show you guys on how you can clear your storage of photo in your Google Drive. First of all, log in into your account, and after that all you need to do would be simply go on into your home. Right now you can see that I'm on my home. In here there are a lot of photos as well as videos. Now all you have to do to mass select all the photos, to delete your account and delete your account storage and free up storage, all you have to do would be click on any one of it first, and now click on Ctrl+A button on your keyboard. After that you can see that all of your files has been selected. To free up storage and to delete your storage, all you have to do is delete all the files in your Google Drive. Now simply click on the delete option, and now you can see that all of the items has been deleted. If you are looking for quick and more storage, you can also buy more storage in the Google. All you have to do will be go on and click on get more storage, and now here it will tell you all the plans it has for Google. From basic, standard to even premium plans. You can see these are all of the plans with increased storage on Google. If you want more storage, you can also buy and get these offers. So guys, and after again deleting your account, all you have to do is go to the trash, and from here delete it again, permanently deleting from your account to actually free up your space. But make sure you are only deleting it, because once you delete it, there will be no ways to recover it in your Google Drive. This is this video, and I hope you guys find our video helpful. If you do, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit the bell notification. And don't forget to drop a comment for review and for more content like this. See you guys in our next video. Thank you for watching.